Hello and welcome to Garden Bamboo Plants. This is a garden project that I did to protect the strawberries from squirrels and pigeons. I am using bamboo sticks to build the main frame and then throw the netting over it. The main material itself is bamboo, and I'm using what I find around the house like the rubber hose and the mesh wire. So all in all it worked out perfectly. I have a strong sidewall netting over the top. That is a simple idea, but it works every time. In fact, the bamboo sticks, especially the new bamboo sticks from the bamboo grove, is perfect for building arch shapes like this because they can easily bend to form an arch shape over the top, or put into the mesh wire and make sure they are firm and strong. You can move them around, you can make them fit into a space. All in all, bamboo sticks are fantastic materials to have, especially in the garden. You can use them to make almost anything from building netting like this, or use them as support for runner beans and sweet peas or any creepy crawly plants. So I hope this video gives you an idea about how you can use bamboo to build any structure in the garden.